Hey, everyone! Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on powerful health insights right here on Health and Wellness Globe. Did you know that a diet high in whole foods has been shown to reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, and several types of cancer by 35%? It's true. And that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the incredible benefits that whole foods can have on your health. Greetings from Health and Wellness Globe. Today, we will delve deeply into the topic of whole foods nutrition, which has the power to completely change your body from the inside out. Hold on tight, since this trip may permanently alter your eating habits. We're starting strong with the foundation of a healthy diet: fruits and vegetables. Think of these as your vitamin and mineral superheroes, packed with antioxidants and fiber. And the best part? They're delicious. Now you might be thinking, Doc, I've heard it all before. But trust me, there's a reason we keep coming back to the importance of fruits and veggies. They're like the superheroes of the food world, fighting off those nasty free radicals that can lead to chronic diseases. Think of it this way: every time you eat a fruit or veggie, you're giving your body a powerful shield against inflammation and cellular damage. Plus, they're bursting with flavor. Remember when you were a kid and your parents would tell you to eat the rainbow? Well, they were onto something. Different colored fruits and vegetables contain different vitamins and minerals, so mix it up. Don't get stuck in a rut, eating the same old salad every day. Experiment with new fruits and vegetables, try different cooking methods, and get creative with your meals. And hey, if you're short on time in the morning, a quick and easy way to get your greens in is by whipping up a smoothie. Just blend some spinach, banana, berries, and a little plant-based milk, and you're good to go. Remember, incorporating more fruits and veggies into your diet is a simple yet incredibly powerful step you can take towards transforming your health. So, what are you waiting for? Start eating the rainbow. Let's talk about whole grains, the powerhouse of sustained energy. These aren't your processed, refined white bread kind of grains. We're talking about the real deal: quinoa, brown rice, oats, barley, the kind that keeps you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Why? Because they're packed with fiber, a type of carbohydrate that your body digests slowly, preventing those sugar spikes and crashes that leave you feeling sluggish. Think of fiber as the steady, reliable friend that always has your back, keeping your energy levels balanced throughout the day. Now I know some of you might be thinking, but Doc, whole grains are bland and boring, I get it. But trust me, with a little creativity, whole grains can be just as delicious and versatile as their refined counterparts. Instead of reaching for that sugary cereal in the morning, how about a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh fruit and a drizzle of honey? Or swap out white rice for quinoa in your next stir-fry. You'll be amazed at the difference in taste and how much longer you feel full and energized. And here's a bonus tip: when you're grocery shopping, make sure to read the labels carefully. Look for the words 100% whole grain to ensure you're getting the real deal. Don't be fooled by deceptive marketing tactics. Remember, incorporating more whole grains into your diet is not about deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with the fuel it needs to thrive. So ditch those refined grains and embrace the power of whole grains. Chapter 3. Let's talk about protein, the building blocks of your body. When we say whole proteins, we're talking about the good stuff. Lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, tofu, the list goes on. These powerhouses are packed with amino acids, the essential nutrients your body needs to build and repair tissues, support your immune system, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Think of protein as the construction worker of your body, constantly working behind the scenes to ensure everything is running smoothly. Whether you're hitting the gym, recovering from an illness, or simply going about your daily routine, your body relies on a steady supply of protein to function at its best. Now you might be thinking, Doc, I know protein is important, but it can be expensive and time-consuming to prepare. I hear you. But incorporating more protein into your diet doesn't have to be a chore. One of my favorite quick and easy protein-packed meals is a simple lentil soup. It's packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and flavor, and it's incredibly easy to make. Just throw all the ingredients in a pot and let it simmer. Another great option is to keep hard-boiled eggs on hand for a quick and portable snack. And if you're looking for a plant-based protein source, tofu is incredibly versatile and can be added to stir-fries, salads, or even smoothies. Remember, incorporating enough whole proteins into your diet is essential for maintaining a healthy weight, building and repairing muscle tissue, and supporting your overall health and well-being. So, make sure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Chapter 4. Let's debunk a myth. Not all fats are created equal. In fact, healthy fats are essential for a balanced diet and optimal health. We're talking about the good fats found in foods like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These nutritional powerhouses are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for brain health, heart health, and reducing inflammation. Think of omega-3s as the brain food that keeps your mind sharp and your heart happy. Now you might be thinking, Doc, I thought fats were bad for me. I get it, we've been conditioned to fear fat for decades. But the truth is, our bodies need healthy fats to function properly. In fact, healthy fats can actually help you lose weight by keeping you feeling full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating. They also play a crucial role in hormone production, cell growth, and nutrient absorption. So, how can you incorporate more healthy fats into your diet? It's easier than you think. Sprinkle some chia seeds on your yogurt or oatmeal in the morning. Add a handful of almonds or walnuts to your trail mix for a satisfying snack. Or, drizzle some olive oil on your salad for a flavor boost. Remember, not all fats are created equal. Embrace the power of healthy fats and watch your health transform. Chapter 5. Let's talk about the elixir of life, water. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining every bodily function, from regulating body temperature to transporting nutrients. But did you know that what you drink is just as important as how much you drink? Sugary drinks like soda and juice might seem refreshing, but they're loaded with empty calories and can wreak havoc on your health. These sugary beverages can contribute to weight gain, increase your risk of chronic diseases, and leave you feeling sluggish and dehydrated. Instead of reaching for that sugary drink, opt for whole drinks that nourish your body and keep you properly hydrated. And the best whole drink out there? You guessed it, water. But plain water isn't the only option. You can add slices of lemon, cucumber, or berries for a refreshing twist. Herbal teas are another great option, providing a variety of flavors and potential health benefits. And if you're feeling adventurous, try infusing your water with fruits, vegetables, or herbs for a refreshing and flavorful drink. Remember, staying hydrated is essential for optimal health. Ditch the sugary drinks and embrace the power of whole drinks for a healthier and more hydrated you. Allow me to share a brief tale with you. 6 months ago, Sarah, a channel viewer, contacted us. Because of her busy career, she was always exhausted, had skin problems, and relied on processed foods. She wrote to us after seeing some of our films and making minor adjustments to her diet to include more whole foods, such as making oats for breakfast, packing vegetables for every lunch, and cooking easy dinners at home. It changed my life in ways I didn't anticipate. My sleep is improved, I have lovely skin, I've shed 12 pounds. Above all though, I feel empowered because I'm giving my body the nourishment it truly needs. That's what whole foods are all about. You need real food, genuine sustenance, and real results, not a fancy diet. Let's review our previous discussion. Whole foods are unprocessed, nutrient-dense, and natural. They consist of cereals, fruits, vegetables, proteins, and good fats. Common problems like confusion, expense, and time are real, but they can be handled with the correct resources and attitude. Above all, embracing a whole foods lifestyle can result in remarkable physical and mental changes. Healthy eating is only one aspect of whole foods. Another is improving one's quality of life. It's your time now. Tell us about your experience eating whole foods. Have you attempted to make any adjustments? What was effective? What didn't work? We love to hear from our community, so please share your stories and views in the comments section below. Don't miss our upcoming video, Easy Whole Food Meal Prep for Busy People, which is linked in the description and right here on the screen if you're wondering how to actually begin meal prepping whole foods. As usual, to ensure you don't miss a Health and Wellness Globe wellness tip, remember to hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe. Making one small change today will be the first step on your path